Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to message someone on the Threads app. So if you guys would like to go ahead and message somebody on the Threads application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so in order for us to do this, all we need to do is tap on the Threads application right here. And then if you want to go ahead and message somebody, of course, all we need to do that is to choose the specific person we want to go ahead and message. So let's say, for example, that we want to go ahead and message just any random person over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to message. Maybe not GOTV, because why not? In order for us to message them, of course, you need to double check if they are actually messageable or being able to receive and send messages. In this case, NatGeoTV is not available to do so, so I'm gonna go in and choose another person. I'm gonna go ahead and try, maybe this one right here. And also, it's still not available. Could also go ahead and choose other person, or you could also choose from your followers. If you do have some, doing so will actually have you being able to try and talk to them through here. In this case, I'm gonna choose maybe just another account so that I can show you guys an account that I normally use. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and try to be this person. Now, the most we can actually do in order for us to chat. This person is a tap on their Instagram profile over here onto the top section, and then DM them through Instagram. That is the only way for us to actually message people from the Threads app. Because, of course, the Threads app is only gonna be meant for while posting threads and nothing more. If you guys would like to go ahead and basically, well, message somebody, you need to go ahead and launch their profile on Instagram, and then message them through the Instagram application. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.